Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making green beans and corn, and we're going to jazz it up. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, today in my show, I've got some whole kernel corn. I've got some green beans that were frozen, unthawed, and these are the great green beans. Make sure you get a really good green bean. I have chopped up some kielbasa sausage, just a little bit. I didn't even use a whole link. I used like half of a link and cut them up in little tiny cubes. I've got some red onion. I've got some red bell pepper. I have some chopped garlic. And least but not last, I have some green bell pepper chopped fine. All these are chopped finely. And let's make this green beans and corn and let's jazz it up. The sausage we're going to be using first because this is going to give us the flavor that we need for our green beans and corn. I'm using my favorite skillet. I happen to love stainless steel pans, dishes. I love stainless steel. And this is my favorite. So, but in this stainless steel today, we're going to do some non-cooking spray. So I'm going to be using some olive oil. So I'm going to be using about a tablespoon or two of olive oil.
Is your website holding your business back? At WPB Web Designs, we create clean, mobile-friendly websites for businesses nationwide. With clear pricing, powerful designs, and personal support. We've earned over 50 five-star Google reviews and multiple awards for top web design service. Explore our pricing page and request your free website demo today. Visit WPBWebDesigns.com or call 1-800-923-6661 or 5-0223-3777. Let's build your dream site.
In with the sausage. I'm just making sure that it is evenly and I'm getting all that olive oil in there so these can cook evenly. Okay, now I'm going to take these out. They have cooked. And I'm trying to take them out and leave as much oil in here as I can. I'm going to add about my garlic. That was the whole garlic clove. I'm going to add that inside there and get that into that great sausage grease that I want. Oh, getting that together. And I'm going to add some onion in here because we need that onion. Onion makes everything a little bit better and tastes a lot better. And how about that bell pepper, that green bell pepper? That makes it also good. Then I'm going to add some onion in here because we need that onion. Onion makes everything a little bit better and tastes a lot better. And then that red bell pepper to give it a lot of color and flavor and taste. We're just going to cook these veggies all down. Yes, and look at it. It's getting all those bits that we need right up out of there and getting all that flavor inside here. We're going to turn this up and just let this cook. As these are cooking, I'm going to add my green beans. And inside my green beans, I just season it with a little bit of seasoning. You can use any seasoning you want just to give those green beans. Because green beans sometimes can be really bland. This is just about what I'm looking for. Now, let's go ahead and add the corn in. Because we don't want to overcook the green beans. And we don't want to overcook the corn. And the vegetables, we want to cook those really good. We're just going to flop all this together. And just let this set and have its way. Okay, I'm getting all my little vegetables off to the side. We're going to let that cook. Now we're going to add back in our sausage. Now don't forget, guys, this bowl is where I'm going to dump all this good stuff in. But see, this is what I'm looking for. That's the flavor. Now you can add a whole link of sausage if you want. But I just want it a little bit every now and then. You get a little bit of that sausage because that sausage has got that flavor that I'm looking for. And I'm just going to stir all this up together. That little sweet taste, just sprinkle about a little sugar on here. You can do like a half teaspoon or a teaspoon. It's up to you. You know, just get a little bit or a pinch of sugar. All right, you don't have to use sugar at all. You already got all that stuff in there. I like mine just a little bit. I like that corn to be a little sweet. If you want that little sweet taste, just sprinkle about a little sugar on here. You can do like a half teaspoon or a teaspoon. It's up to you. You know, just get a little bit or a pinch of sugar. All right, you don't have to use sugar at all. You already got all that stuff in there. I like mine just a little bit. I like that corn to be a little sweet. All right, and this is my green beans and corn jazzed up. Hey, I hope you enjoy this because I know I am. You don't have to just eat this for, a side dish. It could be dinner. You have your meat, you already have your vegetables, and then you also have your, all your other stuff like your onions and all your good stuff in there. Everything's in there. It could be just a one pot dinner for dinner, or it could be a side dish that you want to take to someone's house and make. This is a delicious dish. So hey, I hope you enjoyed the show. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, I want you to come back so we can make plenty more good shows. Because guess what? I didn't do this alone. We did this together, you and me. We made this dish together, and we can make plenty more dishes. So all you have to do is just come back. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.